Affiliate marketing made up simple a step by step guide. Okay. Ever since the 4 hours work week was the realize everyone seems to have the same goal to wake up in the morning, open their laptop and look at something like this. So total Amazon.co.uk item dispatch 412 revenue GBP 26,613.35 earning GBP 1,728.24 total third party item dispatch 73 revenue GBP 990.66 earning GBP 1792.70 total item return -1 revenue minus GBP 64.17 earning minus GBP 3.21 total refund 0 revenue GBP 0.00 earning GBP 0.00 total advertising fees 484 revenue GBP 27,539.84 earning GBP 1789.49 image source top 5 CEO passive income that the dreams right make money while you sleep for 99% of people affiliate marketing is how do they get started. The idea behind it is that you promote other people's product often through an affiliate network, earning a commission if people actually end up buying thanks to your marketing. It's based on revenue sharing. If you have a product and want to sell more, you can offer promoters a financial incentive through an affiliate program. If you have no product and want to make you money, can promote a product affiliate marketer. I'll talk a little about it before, but today I want to dive deeper into what affiliate marketing actually is, what side there are to it, and how to get started. So let's dive into my affiliate marketing guide. Ready? Definition. The best definition of what affiliate marketing is can be found on Petflames. Smart passive income. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to other and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. However, Wikipedia talk about four different parties that are involved: the merchant, the network, the publisher, and the customer. Other, def- Other definition talk about three parties instead of four: advertiser, publisher, consumer. Image source CJ. I will explain all four parties in a second, but when it comes down to the actual marketing, there are two sides of an affiliate equation: the product creator and seller, and the affiliate marketer. Therefore, affiliate marketing can be seen as the process of spreading product creation and product marketing across different parties. where each party receives a share of the revenue according to their contribution. It's not just the promotion or just the product creation that defines who you are as an affiliate marketer. You can be both the creator and the marketer and still profit from the underlying idea of sharing revenue. Now let's look at all of the parts of a successful affiliate marketing system. The merchant, sometimes also known as the creator, the seller, the brand, the retailer, or the vendor. This is the party that creates the product. It can be a big company like Dyson who products vacuum cleaners, or it can be a single individual like Maria Kos who sells online courses to female entrepreneurs. From solo entrepreneurs to startup to massive Fortune 500 companies, anyone could be the merchant behind an affiliate marketing programs. They don't even have to be actively involved, they just have to have a product to sell. The affiliate, this party is sometimes also known as the publisher. Affiliate can also range from single individuals to entire companies. An affiliate marketing business can produce a few $100 in commissions each month or tens of millions of dollars. It's there the marketing happens. An affiliate promotes one or multiple affiliate products and tries to attract and convince potential customers of the value of the merchant product so that they actually end up buying it. This is this can be achieved by running a review blog of the merchant products. For example, this blog design products. It could also be an entire site that's dedicated to finding cool products related to certain topic and promoting those affiliate products. This is why I am Brock is one of the most popular affiliate network sites. The customer or consumer makes the affiliate system go round. Without sale, there are not any commission to hand out and no revenue to be shared. The affiliate will try to market to the consumer on whatever channel they see fit, whether that's a social network, digital billboard, or through a search engine using content marketing on a blog. Whether the consumer know that they are part of an affiliate marketing system or not is mostly up to the affiliate. Some choose to let their consumer know, and more affiliate tend to be transparent about their marketing being incentivized financially, but others don't. They let the tracking system work in the background where where the customer can follow the purchase process just as usual, and the affiliate still end up being paid a commission. The consumer will not typically pay a higher price to the affiliate marketer as the cost of the affiliate network is already included in the retail price. The network only some consider the network part of the affiliate marketing equation, but I believe that an affiliate marketing guide needs to include network because in many cases a network works as an intermediary between the affiliate and the merchant. While you could technically promote an online course someone has created and just arrange a direct revenue share with them, letting a network such as ClickBank or Commission Conjunction handle the payment and product delivery puts a more serious note on your affiliate marketing. Sometimes affiliates have to go through an affiliate network to even be able to promote the product. For example, this happens if the merchant only manage their affiliate program on that network. The affiliate network then also serve as a database of lots of products out of which the affiliate marketer can choose which to promote.